our car, drive it in water. Yes, they float. They indeed float. Up to a certain point. Then you're gonna start drowning, like so, and the car's gonna stay underneath the water. So you can't just stay in the car in the middle of the ocean or a river. However, what you can do, you still can do actually, even in a river like so, is get into the car. So we're gonna do that. To get into the car, just dive in, or square, and it's gonna kick you out right away. So yes, there isn't much we can do. Can we do this, and then over it? And it's gonna be in there for a second. It's gonna keep kicking us out. And yes, we can go over water. You just have to go fast and go right through it, because you will float for a few seconds. And yes, if you're going faster with a faster car, sure, it's gonna be easier. Just gonna go back for that AI that we just saw there. I'm assuming it's an AI. Which just got eliminated. I thought it would survive there for a second.